Welcome to KD Custom Woodworking. I'm Kevin Dunphy. I'm back. The tool review. I haven't done one in a long time and I'm excited about this. You can see behind me, we've been doing a lot of drywall, a lot of plaster. And I don't know if you remember the old ways without an automatic feeder. You know, you have your pouch, screw, pouch, try to keep 2 or 3. And it seemed like it took forever and you're trying to get rhythm. So I invested in this. The DCF6202 collated attachment to my drywall gun. The drywall gun I bought about 5 years ago. 6. It's really lasted. It's a beautiful machine. I mean, I love it. It works great. And I looked at the attachment. The attachment goes on very easy. It's easy to take off. That's it. It slips on. They supply this drill bit. Ours is a little worn out. It's a little bit worn out. Like we've done 6,000 screws, maybe 7. And it just goes like that. Push. It has a setting right here for depth. I liked ours. It was pretty good. The big thing with the setting with the depth, I thought it might have been different because some of them we have 2x4 studs and some we have strapping. The wood can be, one could be a little thinner than the other. The depth was pretty spot on. Now to load this, you can go this way, but a lot of times we were going a little faster. It is so easy. You can hear the click. Right there. And that's it. It has a lock right here, which is a reverse. A few times with the reverse when we were first doing it, we hit it by mistake. It's pretty easy right here to hit it. But there's a lock right here. It's going to make a liar out of me. Right here on the bottom button. It is awkward right there to get that lock. I'll show you what I mean. Now I'm locked right here, and I just have to go here. See that loose? They forgot to do it. You see the screws that I missed right there? That's mainly because I'm reaching like this and I'm trying to go and I got the heavier battery. Now I'm going to go closer and lock it again. This time I'm going to concentrate on pushing hard from straight in. So my back might be away from the camera. Let's see. All right. All right. You have to be like this almost to be pushing it in. That's one thing you find you won't get it. And you can see it just perfect, just below, not too deep, really holding it. Now, I mean, I'll fix those up. There's a joke there. It's in there real good, real tight. It's not coming out. This is an amazing tool. To give a review on this, for I think I pay 147 Canadian, and soon the US dollar is going to be more than Canadian. No, that's a bad joke. But it's about $100 American. So in the euro, you know, I don't know if you have a different system. I'd be curious to hear about that. Buy it. I mean, I could use this for the floor, anything bent down. Even if you're only doing one drywall job, for 147, this gun, no cords. I mean, you're working around here, and you can see that we've done a lot here. You know, so this gun, wow. I didn't do this by myself. I did very little. I had guys screwed in, 2 guys that did it. I did very little. I can't take credit for this. I got, you know, all the hard spot. I pick a funky angle and go in and do it. It took about over 2 weeks to do all this. This is very complex, this whole house. We got beams downstairs, everything else. Check our videos out. We'll show like the beams and all the detail we've done with the drywall. Now, a review. I am giving this, the only thing I'm not giving it a full 10 is because when you're out here trying to push it, you can't get, so if you're out here trying to reach, and then you're trying to get that drywall, you kind of, it's very awkward. Very awkward, like, look. You know? You kind of put your body in. But that's it, look at it. That's one-handed. So, there's a bit of a learning curve with this. It's, you know, fully automatic. I think it's spring-loaded. I don't know if it'd be easier if there's other brands. Somebody go in the comment section, see what one I know. But I'm giving this a 9. Yes, sir. 9. And for those that subscribe, thank you. We're starting to climb up. Now I'm getting out of the plastering. I'm going to start doing some more videos of what I do best, which is woodworking. We ended up keeping this in-house, and I'm going to do some plastering videos. And it's like that. What a beast. The beast. The beast. For now, I just saw it, $100. What a machine. So if you're not using this and doing your drywall, you're working for nothing. If you can't afford this for $100, then you can't afford to do drywall. See you next time. So please subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please come again. We want to see you all the time. We love our tools and we're addicted to them. So please subscribe. Come again. Bye.